Fichet, 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 Fichet. There we go. I don't know what's going on in there, but it's not anything that special. I don't know what I was doing wrong at first either, but that's what happens when you just sort of attack locks without a plan. Even if it's a fichet, 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 fichet. Oh, biscuits. Go on. Probably the right one to use. Something terrible is going down here. You know what? It's like 5 pins. Let's do this the easy way. Quote unquote easy way. There we go. Oopsie doodle. Lock with the frame. That's alright. Oh, hello. Oh, that's right. I spun it upside down. Alright. Man, pay attention when you're gutting. Oh, that is dirty. Pay attention when you're gutting locks. Here, so I wouldn't. It's spaced differently, so I don't think that's for a regular pin. I don't expect to see anything too fancy in here. God. Whoa. What in the world? Let's get that order correct. That's alright. I didn't see that coming. Alright, this is standard, but that's weird. I don't know what those guys are all about. I mean, they look like they could be traps, but maybe they're anti-bump or something. This lock is filthy. I do not know what that's about. What's... Oops. I was using a pick, I swear. Nothing going on in there. This is just a weird thing. Yeah, you can't even get to that from inside the chamber. I don't. This may be a detent or something. I have to clean this thing out. What is happening in here, though? Whoa! Let's see. There's a little lip on here, or is that just gunk?